Congress, citing the economic progress seen in the state in the last 10 years.
एजीपी के शासन के आखिरी साल में असम के सामने एक गंभीर आर्थिक संकट पैदा हो गया था। स्थिति इतनी खराब थी कि सरकारी कर्मचारियों तक को समय पर वेतन भी नहीं मिल पाता था। आज 10 साल पहले हालात बिल्कुल बदल चुके हैं। राज्य की वित्तीय स्थिति आज बहुत ही अच्छी है। आर्थिक विकास की दर तेज हुई है।
And AICC General Secretary Rahul Gandhi today campaigned in election-bound Union Territory of Puducherry. Addressing an election rally in the Congress, leader said that benefits of government schemes should reach the lower section of society.
We believe that unless the poor people participate in this growth, unless the benefits of the poor people and unless the benefits do not reach the poor people, the country will not move forward. That is why we ensure that all our programs are targeted at the poorest and the weakest sections of society.
And down south in Tamil Nadu, at a time when elections are around the corner, the huge population of fishermen in the state have many expectations from the political parties. While security of the fishermen has been a major concern in some areas, demand for basic facilities is also an important issue in this election. Our correspondent Sudhakar Das has filed this report from Rameshwaram.
Day begins early for fishermen in Rameshwaram at 7 o'clock. Everyone is in rush to set sail. But Shekhar and few others are not in any hurry. When we wanted to ask them about local politics, all they wanted to talk about was the issue of firing on Tamil Nadu fishermen by Sri Lankan Navy. They also showed us the bullet marks.
They promise us food and money. We are fishermen and we can't do anything else except this. When I went to teach my son fishing for the first time, I was shocked. At that time, nobody came to help me. Today, everybody is coming for vote, but the situation still remains the same in the sea.
Often referred as the second Kashi, Rameshwaram depends on tourism and fishing for livelihood.
Most of the fishermen are poor and work for others in their boat. We have many grievances for the Sri Lankan army, but nothing happens. Even our basic demand for a port facility has not been fulfilled so far.
As assembly elections are approaching, promises are once again being made. Rameshwaram comes under the Ramnathpuram constituency, which is dominated by fishermen. The area comprises of about 2,18,000 fishermen, and the political party that promises a better solution to their immediate problem is likely to make electoral gains. With Bureau Input, Sudhakar Das's report, DD News, Rameshwaram.
And now we go over live to Coimbatore, from where our correspondent Sudhakar Das joins us to give more insight into the election scene there in Tamil Nadu. Sudhakar, you in fact have travelled extensively as far as the CM's constituency is concerned. We also saw your report on Rameshwaram, where the fishermen issues are dominating. But overall, what is the broader picture as far as issues this time in assembly elections in Tamil Nadu is concerned? What are the main issues there?
जो बिल्कुल सकल जो स्थिति अभी तक बन रही है, क्योंकि सिर्फ 6 दिन बचे हुए हैं चुनाव के लिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी के पक्ष में या किसी के खिलाफ कोई लहर नहीं चल